Hello everyone. So in this lecture, we'll discuss about the efficiency of a transformer. In the last lecture, we have discussed about the various losses that occur in the transformer, that is the iron losses and the copper losses. So in this lecture, we'll discuss about the efficiency of a transformer. As we all know, efficiency is nothing but the ratio of the output power to the input power. Here, the efficiency of the transformer is defined as the ratio of the output power in watts or kilowatts to the input power in watts or kilowatts. But one doubt might come to your mind that sir, we know that the output of the transformer is always given, or the rating of the transformer is given in the volt ampere rating, but that is voltage into current rating. That is because we don't know that what kind of load or what power factor load is getting connected to the load. हमको नहीं पता कि किस पावर फैक्टर का लोड हम लोग उस ट्रांसफार्मर से कनेक्ट करने वाले एट द टाइम ऑफ building the transformer. That's why we gave the rating of the transformer in volt amperes. Okay, so obviously output power will be equal to your volt ampere ratings of the transformer multiplied by the cos phi, or the power factor of the transformer, divided by the input power. Input power we can also write it down as output power plus losses. Okay, so output, as we all know, V A cos phi plus losses. Now, what are the losses we have seen in the transformer? We have seen two types of losses in the transformer. First one is the iron loss, and second one is the copper loss. Okay, so this formula we can use for the finding the efficiency of a transformer. Losses can be determined by the testing, as we have already seen in the previous videos, that how to conduct open circuit test or the short circuit test on the transformer to find out the iron losses and the copper losses in the transformer. So as I was saying, we know that the output of the transformer can be secondary voltage into secondary current multiplied by the cos phi or the power factor of the load, that is V2 I2 cos phi 2. And we know that the total loss, copper loss, can be written as I2 square RO2. RO2 is the second total resistance referred to the secondary side. So total losses are equal to iron losses plus copper losses. Here the efficiency of the transformer, we can write it down as V2 I2 cos phi 2 divided by V2 I2 cos phi 2 plus Pi plus I2 square RO2. So here this is the formula which we can use for finding the efficiency of the transformer. Now one more important thing that occurs in that we see in the transformer is the condition for maximum efficiency of a transformer. We will not find the maximum efficiency of a transformer at the rated condition. Finding the maximum efficiency, it will not occur at the rated condition. So we have to find at what condition it will be happening. For a given power factor, efficiency depends on the load current I2. Hence the efficiency to be the maximum, the denominator should be minimum. As we all know, किसी भी चीज को हम लोग को मैक्सिमाइज करना है, तो उसको हम क्या करते हैं, डिफरेंशिएट करके जीरो कर देते हैं. यहाँ पे अगर मुझे इस एफिशिएंसी टर्म्स को मैक्सिमाइज करना है, इसका मतलब मुझे डिनोमिनेटर को मिनिमाइज करना पड़ेगा. डिनोमिनेटर को मिनिमाइज करने के लिए मैं क्या करूंगा, उसका डिफरेंशिएशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू करंट इक्वल टू जीरो. जब आप इसका डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे, देन यू विल फाइंड आउट द कंडीशन that iron losses should be equal to I2 square R2. This will be the result of your differentiation. So what is the condition that you get from the differentiation? But that is, for maximum efficiency of the transformer, iron losses should always be equal to the copper losses. Okay, so at the rated condition, if your iron losses are equal to the copper losses, then you can say that efficiency of a transformer will be maximum. Okay, don't say that efficiency of a transformer is maximum when it is operating at the rated condition. No, efficiency of the transformer will be maximum when the copper losses are equal to the constant losses. Okay, in a transformer, iron losses are constant whereas copper losses are variable. हमको पता है कि iron losses constant होते हैं, copper losses variable. So in order to obtain the maximum efficiency, the load current should be such that total copper loss become equal to the iron loss. Total copper loss should become equal to the iron loss. So this will be the formula for your load current. लोड करंट अगर आपको निकालना है, सेम फॉर्मूला है जो हमने मैक्सिमम एफिशिएंसी कंडीशन निकाली थी. यहाँ से अगर आपको लोड करंट निकालना है, तो ये आएगा अंडर रूट ऑफ आयरन लॉसेस डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द कॉइल रेफर्ड टू द प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी. ओके,